By popular demand, I am going to share the recipe for the chicken enchiladas. This is a fabulous recipe because it's something that you can make any day when you have a little extra time. You'll see the assembly is very quick. They pop them in the oven for half an hour, but they also freeze, so it's something that you can make ahead of time and have on hand if you're having friends over for a casual dinner, or it's a busy school night, you're getting home from activities, but you still want to serve your family a nice, healthy meal. So the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to take an onion. You want to leave the end intact. You'll see this is a neat trick. Just have some slices down like this. You're going to just slice right across, and you'll end up with a perfect little dice. Just going to let those brown a little bit in the fry pan. In the fridge, I keep onions. You'll see in here I've got strawberries, cantaloupe, cucumbers. These are all sliced and ready to go. And what I have that I'm going to use in my chicken enchilada recipe are peppers. Toss them in with the onions. So I have a rotisserie chicken in the fridge that I just picked up at the market. I'm going to shred it. This saves me a lot of time. Fresh cherry tomatoes that I had washed. Pop those in. This is roasted broccoli from last night. Just going to toss it in there. This is the shredded chicken. We'll add that now. This is just a low-fat cream cheese, and what it does is when it melts into the chicken, it creates this creamy, delicious sauce. Look at that. So simple. That is going to kind of melt over the heat. We'll be able to stir it a little bit more easily once it's sat in there for a couple minutes. Drain and rinse some canned black beans. You want to drain them and rinse them so that you remove any of the extra salt from the canned beans. We're just going to take the black beans, toss those in. So that was 2 cans of black beans. So far we have probably about 1 or 2 bell peppers that were sliced. I added in the extra broccoli and tomatoes that I had on hand. I just have a can of salsa that I had in the fridge. This is going to make dinner for 12. It makes a great dinner party dish. The next step is to simply take the filling, wrap it in tortillas, and then we're going to cover the whole thing with a yummy enchilada sauce. You can make your own. I don't. So you just take the tortillas, put in as much or as little filling as you'd like, press them down into the dish. You can really use any enchilada sauce that is your favorite. This one has this easy open can, which is brilliant. So I'm just going to pour this over the top. You will be amazed when you see how delicious this looks when it comes out of the oven. We are going to top all the dishes with cheese now, just some shredded cheddar. Simple dish. Okay, got kind of a mess over here, but I'm going to go pop these in the oven before I do the dishes. So I'm going to leave them in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. My timer just went off. Oh, look at these. These are beautiful. Look at that. Don't those look delicious? I can't wait to dig into this. Let's see. This looks so good. Look at that. Creamy, delicious. You would never know that this recipe is as healthy as it is. With those veggies and the nice shredded chicken. So these are my enchiladas. I hope you enjoy them as much as our family does. Remember, it's really easy to make a recipe like this. Tuck it into the fridge or freezer and have a beautiful, delicious, healthy family dinner when you don't have a lot of time.